really good defensively. You know, the last couple of years, I mean, he's got the size and the lateral quickness to stay in front of people, and the strength, and he can guard multiple spots. And I thought his defense was very good tonight. He was engaged and active. And you know, this is just one of those spells for Clay. It happens to everybody. Great players and you know, good players and average players. Everybody just goes through funks at times. And Clay's in a little bit of a funk. He'll be fine. We got to do a better job of getting him some good shots. He's got to do a better job of making the simple play, not dribbling into traffic. But as our offensive rhythm gets better as a team, Clay will get a lot better himself.
It's an 82-game season. Like I said before, you're not going to be in the rhythm every game. You know, it's not going to happen. You know, the best offensive team ever, you're not in the rhythm every game. So, you know, it's something that we have to clean up. Like I said, you know, we were able to do what we need to do to win this game convincingly, which is important. But, you know, we know in order to get to where we want to go, we have to clean some things up. And, you know, we've been here before, though, you know, where we had to clean it up and, you know, get the turnovers back down. So, you know, we'll be fine. But, you know, tomorrow's practice, you know, and getting back in the rhythm and the flow is important.
It's just read the situation. You gotta be aggressive coming off screens and seeing what's going on. And if you see two bodies, obviously the right basketball play is to, you know, keep those guys engaged with you, get the ball out of your hands, and allow 4-on-3, 3-on-2 situation on the backside. You know, so much talent in this locker room, and when that happens, it's pretty much easy offense. So I don't mind it. Obviously, you want to get some looks out of the course of the game, but if that's how teams play, then we'll make the adjustments and almost kind of milk it to the point where open shots are kind of all over the floor, whether I'm taking them